it.
Yes, you don't know it's your boy Flavor and your boy Mix Master. And you know we do it already. We're coming back with another
banger,
another cracker,
another hit.
Yes, man, something different and usually you know Flavor do it and Mix Master do it. The Mix Master channel do it original, different, never said before.
Yes,
last
man.
time we tell you Google it and you don't, you see it? Yeah, man, but first, we have to big up some of our dear one sponsor.
Yes, man.
Yes, man. So big respect goes out to Oliver's Pharmacy.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? For the best price in pharmaceutical product, go check him out. Where I'm located, Mix Master?
Down at Falmouth.
Yes,
go
man.
Check him out.
Yeah, man. For
Alright.
Chilani, go check him out, man. We are big up, Mix Master.
Now we're gonna give a shout out to this channel, you know? This channel is pretty new, but guess what? It's a very good supporter. Tiffany Nation. Pick up yourself because guess what? She's always on the Jamaican Mix Master thing.
Alright, Tiffany.
Yeah, man. So we got
Pick up
another one.
yourself.
We have another one we're gonna shout out to. It's Clarice. Big makeup artist. Clarice, I tell you, pick up yourself.
Alright,
Alright.
pick up yourself, Clarice.
Yeah, man.
Which is right.
So this drink is gonna be an extravaganza.
Yes, man.
Not epic. Extravaganza.
Alright, so guys, stay tuned for it. You know we're gonna do it right away.
Yes, man. We're gone tonight again. It.
You don't know, you know.
Yeah, man.
That's how we are gonna do it. So a Mix Master and Flavor combination, that one, and you know you guys getting it the best of both worlds to the great way.
Yes,
man. So right now, I'm gonna be making some shot to go on top of the Mix Master special. So I'm gonna be making some flavor shot to go on top of that. Yes, so you have to watch out for that. Alright, so first, the shot are gonna consist of melon liqueur. Very good. I use a white rum, aka
Rude to your parents.
Alright, so
Please don't get rude.
Definitely. So we're gonna use some mango. And I took you know Mix Master channel love go natural.
Yeah,
I'm gonna use some orange juice. Yeah, man. So Mix Master, what you the drop one over there, so now?
Right about now, I'm gonna start my thing.
Yes,
I'm
man.
gonna use some sugar. Something different. I'm gonna muddle it. Granulated sugar. Some people call it white sugar, but it's granulated. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna wash the grapes. Am I ready? So I'm gonna put some grapes in it. Yeah. Marshmallows.
Alright, guys. So first pour melon liqueur. So you put a little bit in the cup.
See it? Marshmallow. So I'm using about 3.
So in your melon liqueur, I'm gonna put a little bit of mango in the melon liqueur.
Alright guys, this is very interesting for you. Look at this. This is a special drink. You can use rosemary with ginger and sugar. So I'm going to put a little tip in it. Just to give it a nice flavor.
Definitely.
Alright. So guess what now? You see true, this drink is a fire ice. So what am I using it here? Yeah. Some hot Jim Beam fire. See it? Fire. Just
Alright,
a
guys.
little bit.
So me and I'm putting him Jim Beam. This is the first mixture that's going in the shot. So we use the melon liqueur with a little bit of mango. Yes, man. Check out Mix Master.
Alright, so what I'm going to do now is go and muddle it.
So your second mix, orange juice. We use a little bit of mango puree.
Come on, well crushed out. Alright. Grapes them smell nice in this.
I say, but yeah, wow, can smell it from over here, so Mix Master.
I tell you.
Yes, man. So we stir this. Yeah, nice yellow color, you know.
See it, people? Yeah, man. Very nice, you know?
Alright. So I use a little bit of Maya's dark rum. Shot ya. Different.
Alright, these are for me. Taste up. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna know, I'm gonna make some blue curacao mixed with some pina colada. I tell us that this drink is gonna be extravagant. Not epic. Everybody use the word epic. What we say?
Extravagant.
Alright.
Boss got stylish with it. Extravagant. Yes, man.
Now play with it.
No, no.
Alright, so we have blend it out now. We're gonna put a little tip of vodka in it. That's a little tip. You don't need a lot of alcohol in this one. See that? That's a little tip. Yeah. And guess what, guys? I'm gonna use back this rosemary, ginger. Oh my god. Yeah. Spice it up. Now you don't know where you know of it?
Nice it up.
Alright. Mix master don't play now. Challenge on normal. Alright guys, while that is blending, I'm gonna use the mango.
Alright, so on my side now, guys, contrast. So we have a float, and we have to separate each drink, each shot, sorry.
Hey! Yes man, extravagant. Come on, we use the whole line mango in here. All line mango. Mango juicy. And call it Julie mango. Oh, I tell you, Julie.
Juicy.
What a girl. I'm gonna use a little tip of puree in here. Just to give body. Alright?
So on the flavor side, so I use the Maya's. And when I mix master, I make his drink. I'm making my shot. So my shot is to complement his drink. Yes, man.
No, we're not gonna make you enough taste. Yeah man, that's the Jamaican flag color, you know?
Which is right.
Epic. Extravaganza.
Yeah, man, that's how we do it, you know.
Yeah,
we don't
man.
play.
See that, guys?
That's how we do it. Yeah, so you know that we're gonna tap it off with a little bit of rooty appearance, just a little bit.
Alright, so
Yeah.
meanwhile in my top, we just pour it in this. Just to have a little taste of it. Yeah man. Cheers guys.
Cheers.
Yes man. And guess what? This is a very extravagant drink.
The fire ice. You know it's so nice, you have to drink it.
Twice.
Alright.
Oh my god. And you know what? This drink was requested by a special YouTuber. I'm not call her name. She know herself.
Alright.
Pick up yourself. Fire ice.
See that? No normal. Alright, so stay tuned for the
Display! Up now, and guess what? For the display, watch this. Remember when we model it? See it here? Oh my god. So this now we're gonna put some ice in it. Yeah. The ice that we use, the shave ice. That's why it's called fire ice. Meanwhile that is there, we're just going to put a little bit of fire. Jim Beam. Fire. There you go. Hey! What a song about. Love it. The fire ice it come down so nice. The fire ice it come down so nice. Alright. So guys, see that? We'll go to the display now, alright?
Yes, no.
This.
You know so we do it different and unique.
Hot ice.
Yes, fire ice. Yes, you don't know we don't play.
Yeah, man.
When we say fire ice, we do it twice. And you don't say happy nice.
Yes, man.
And this is one of somebody choice.
Yes, man.
Make them eye roll like that.
Ice. Yeah,
What's
man.
name?
Fire ice.
Alright, so we tell them it twice.
Alright,
yes,
so guys,
man.
stay tuned for next week. We are coming out. Where we are going next week?
Next week, we are come out of the studio.
Alright.
Next week, we are take it on the road.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? So guys, just stay tuned for that, because you know it will come, we come different. You know what I mean? We come unique. We come what?
Extravaganza.
Extravaganza.
Ganza.
That's what we say.
So
Alright.
guys, guys, stay tuned for next week.
Yeah, man.
It's nice having you.
Thumbs up video, thumbs up the video, thumbs up.